So this video is going to show you how to use this work plane to create a sketch of a circle and how to attach the square into the circle in a way that basically extrudes it, but extrudes two different shapes together. So we have our work plane up here. We can see that it's orange in our browser and it's orange in our screen. So we can either do it's the same exact thing if we go to the left, to the any side of the work plane. If I go on the middle of it, it won't highlight, but if I scroll over the side and I right click and I just click on it, you can see that this create sketch will come up and that will create a 2D sketch on it. The other thing that you can do, which is the exact same thing, is click your create 2D sketch and then choose that plane to create it. You can see when you have your plane, if you mouse over and you just you drag your mouse, you'll see that I get the mouse with 4 arrows, and I can see if I go into the corner, I get the mouse with 2 arrows, which means I can make it bigger or I can move it around. This is all up to you. It doesn't matter how big your work plane is. So I want to create this circle, which is going to be the top of my cup, and I want that to be about 3 inches in diameter. I can see that my square is lined up in the middle of my circle because the points in the center are the same for my circle and my square, because we already constrained it in the last video. So now I can finish my sketch, and I see that I have my work plane up here and it's orange. If I don't want to see it as orange, I can see it's orange over here also. I can go over to it and right click, and we see that visibility has a check mark. If we uncheck that, the work plane will go away, and in our browser it will turn gray. So if you want it to come back, you can right click on work plane in your browser, and down here visibility, you can check that also, and you can see that it comes back orange on our browser. So I want that work plane to go away. I don't really need to see it because I'm done making sketches on it. So now I want to use my Loft tool and select the geometry that I want to connect. So the first thing that I want is my square, and you can see over here it comes up as sketch 2, and now I'm going to click my circle and that comes up as sketch 3, and as I click those two, they connect to each other. We'll click OK, and we can see that my square on the bottom is turning into a circle at the top. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to shell out the middle so that you can actually fill the cup with liquid.